Benito. What's some observations you made? Flipped or reflected over the what? Y-axis? X-axis. If you ever get stuck, right? Does the graph flip over this way? No. Remember, we're starting here, and the end result is this one. So it's reflecting this way. Okay? All right, Benito. What letter? A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? Benito. Reflection over the x-axis. Okay. Benito, what is a number less than 0? Give me a number. Negative number. Okay. So I know it's A because it's reflection over the x-axis. I know it's negative because numbers that are less than 0 are negative. And now we need to think of this number here. Okay, to do that, we're gonna have to make a table of values. But before we make the table of values, look at our order pair here. Partner A tell partner B, what does the A value affect? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. The Y. Do you see it? A is next to the Y. What does this mean? My order pair is X, comma, AY. So let's write that. X, comma, AY. Now, if I know that the A value is going to affect the Y values, I'm going to make this weird table of values. And essentially, I'm writing both the Y coordinates. Both the Y coordinates. Tell me all the order pairs on this graph over here. Jenny. This side. Start over here. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 16. Okay, Jenny. Tell me all the coordinates now on G of X, the right graph. 0, 0. Yeah. Okay. So here's the question. Basically, I'm multiplying this column times this column by the A value. The question is, what is the A value? Class, 1 times something equals negative 1/16. Right? We're trying to figure out this A value. So what number is it? Negative 1/16. The A value is negative 1/16. How do I know that? 1 times something equals negative 1/16. Well, that would be negative 1/16. Let's see if it works on this one. Multiply across. 16 times 1. 1 times 16. Positive times negative. Negative 16 over 16 is just negative 1. So my A value is negative 1/16. Okay, this makes sense. Let's double check. Negative 1/16 is a fraction. It's a number between 0 and 1. Look at this. It says vertical compression of the graph. What does a vertical compression mean? I'm going to squeeze it. And if I squeeze it like it's a hamburger, right? It's going to get squished, right? It's going to get flatter. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's write our equation now. Pretty easy because all I have is just an A value. So I can just write this right above it or below it. Now let's just say you're not sure how to write the equation. So I would write out all of it. In class, we only have what letter? So yes or no? Do we have a B value? Do you have a C value? Do you have a D value? So I just write in A value, -1/16. F stands for function. I only need one set of parentheses because I just have this X value. I don't have a B value or a C value. And that's it. Let's review what we did. Observations, words, letters to numbers. When you're sure not how to get that number, you can use your table of values. Look back at the A value affects the Y coordinates. So you have two sets of Y coordinates. How do you go from this number to that number? And that helps you write your equation.